weather system out there. Hayden Proffitt II is the grandson of legendary Hall of Fame drag racer Hayden Proffitt, who was a 4-time national champion in the NHRA and a 2-time national champion in the AHRA. And his uncle, Brad Proffitt, the son of Hayden Proffitt, piloted the USA Rocket 1 dragster, a rocket-powered dragster which ran off hydrogen peroxide gas. Oh boy, he does feel the speed. You gotta tell me, is this a grudge match after what happened with the 1882 blow last night?
Yeah, they were both talking a little smack to each other about who could go faster, jet or jet truck. And it went on and on and on, and it was ugly. It just got ugly.
Well, we're going to see here in just a minute once the smoke clears. I tell you what, we are in instrument meteorological conditions. I haven't been this fogged out in years, I've got to tell you. But if they're going to turn around, it looks like we're going to have us a race here, right? Who do you think's going to win? Do you think the Jet's going to win?
You know, it's going to be close, but look, Rob, he's lining up, and he's got those smokes going on that jet truck. I think he's playing with it, too.
All right, well, let's see what happens here as we get ready to see whether we're going to have a race and who's going to win. From a standing start, Hayden Proffitt II in Hot Streak 2, and in the L-39 Albatross coming in at over 200 miles an hour with a flying start. Let's see what happens here.
I think it'll be close.
I think it'll be close. And they're off. 0 to 60 in about 1.5 seconds. 248 miles an hour. He won the race today, Lunar.
I know. Jive lost this one. You know what? If there's just a little more runway, Jive could have won, right?
Yeah, he could have got it. Boy, oh boy, the acceleration is incredible. Okay, ladies and gentlemen of McMinnville, how about putting your hands together for Hayden Proffitt II?